good, ladies and gents? Welcome back into another video. Today we're going to explore my top 5 crypto choices for October 2022. Before I do begin, I just want to say a massive thank you to the new patrons and subscribers on this channel. You guys mean so much to me, and honestly I could not be here without you all. So Bitcoin has now just lost that $20,000 level. Again, that psychological level, we just keep on losing it over and over again. Bitcoin is now hovering around $1,300. I do want to also apologize for my lack of communication over the last 24 hours. I do have a bit of a problem where every now and then I just get migraines, and it's just really hard to go back to these dual screens and trying not to feel the pain. So let's get on with it. I want to look at the next potential coins that could explode here, the undervalued coins in my opinion as well. So let's have a little look at what is going on. So Tamadoge number 1, of course. Tamadoge, one of the biggest successful pre-sales of 2022 so far within a crypto bear market. It has now retraced 40%, so it could potentially be a good correction, a healthy correction, where people that feel like maybe they were waiting for a dip can finally get in and maybe ride the next wave up. So looking at the last 7 days, Tamadoge went from $0.02 all the way to a high of 20 cents. There's a big 10x there. If you got in at the beta sale prices, you'd be looking at a 20x, because the average cost would have been $0.01 or 1 cent. So absolutely phenomenal performance here from Tamadoge, top meme coin, one of the top meme coins, shall I say. And yeah, outrageous to see the amount of volume that we've had. Today it got launched on LBank and MEXC exchange too, so more volume should soon come through as well. Here is the website, just 23 hours until they launch their juicy NFTs. The ultra rare Tamadoge NFTs are coming. They look really nice. And for those that haven't yet bought it, you can grab it on the OKX exchange as well, using a link down below, or you can even connect your MetaMask wallet on the ERC20 network and grab it on Uniswap or the OKX decentralized exchange. So I do think this still has a lot of upside potential. The market cap soared way beyond 100 million already, and I still think there is some juicy upside potential for the remainder of this year, but also Q1 of 2023. Tamadoge, loads of social engagements. You can see here 3 million in the last 24 hours. It's ranking 3, below Baby Doge, Rich Quack, above Volt Inu and Pooley. So that's also really bullish. And we can see top play to earn projects by social contributors. Tamadoge is ranking once again. I mean, look at that. 471, below Floki Inu and just behind StepN. So this in itself is extremely bullish, because of course meme coins are effectively community-based tokens, and there needs to be a strong community to help push that price. Tamadoge is looking rather good in terms of its correction. It's now corrected 41%, and for a low market cap gem, this is quite normal in my opinion. We could still see a bit more downside continuation to the 0.089, but I do think for Tamadoge, it will strictly be finding support around this sort of 1, 2 and 1, 3 region. So we might get a nice bounce here. I'd love to see what could happen. And yeah, if you got in around September, late September, you'd be looking at a 900% increase. So this could effectively be another correction where you can get in. The first correction was here, a major correction of 34%, and we're now getting that second correction from $0.197 come through. So that's coin choice number 1. The second choice, on the note of pre-sales, it's going to be the IMPT token. Already raised $572,000 in just 48 hours. I'm feeling extremely bullish as well. It's giving me that same kind of rapid traction and growth sort of vibes as Tamadoge. And you can see here, it's got different phases. So it's going to be 3 phases of pre-sale 1, 2 and 3, priced in at 0.018, 0.0023 and 0.028 So it's going up in 5 cents, half a cent in increments right there. Getting a bit confused. So we can see obviously getting in now is kind of like getting into the Tamadoge pre-sale as a beta investor, although it's a bit different this time because there were early adopters of this particular coin who actually got in at a slightly earlier price. But it doesn't mean your entry would not be good. So yeah, really cool. Join an impactful carbon offset program by investing in the IMPT token. They're partnered with loads of brands already, massive brands like this, which is also really bullish. And their long-term vision is to help reduce climate, global warming, reduce the surface temperature of the earth and things like this. So it's really cool. As you see, contribute to a better planet. That's very important. We can see here I hold 105,000 of these tokens, which is, to be honest, it's only about $2,000 worth. But I do think this is certainly one we can see another 5 to 10x in 5 days time. on this channel, we're also going to see the reveal of another pre-sale, which I am actually saving most of my capital for. So do watch this space, stay in the know, hit that subscribe button if you want to hear about the upcoming pre-sale next week, which in my opinion is going to do bigger and better things than Doge. So yeah, stick around guys, this is really, really cool. IMPT token available to grab down below if you want as well. Do your own research, look at the white paper, but we can see they're already getting good coverage here as well from a PR point of view. IMPT token raises $220,000 in the first 24 hours of the pre-sale. Best green crypto for 2022. So of course this is super, super bullish. $200,000 has been raised. They are not slowing down. Very, very bullish price action here. Another news site, Crypto News as well. IMPT token set for a 30x rise. That's pre-sale blast past $500,000 mark, which it has now done $572,000. Let's give it a refresh. Has it gone up? 572k. Still the same. Unfortunately, we didn't get the juicy pump for the video, but it looks good nonetheless. What else I was going to show you? Other sustainable cryptos that we can compare this to. We've got things like, you know, these are big coins, big blue chips. We've got Cardano. It's also, you know, what's the word? A relatively green crypto, shall we say. We've got Ripple, sustainable token as well. We've got Holo, we've got Hot, Hedera, we've got Devio, never heard of that one. We've got Chia, heard of that one. We've got Tron as well. We've got IOTA. So all of these coins do, you know, have sort of the green card thing in mind. They do want to keep their sustainability as low as possible and have the amount of emissions that they're creating as low as possible as well. So these are sustainable cryptos that have all done great things. So there's no reason why IMPT token can't do something similar as well. Coin number 3 is going to be Ethereum, the tip of the spearhead for all altcoins, as I like to say. Just chilling at $1,300, guys. This is an absolute bargain at these price levels. You can see, if we look at historically the price data, retrospectively speaking, $4,800 we were once at for Ethereum in 2021. So we're looking rather undervalued. I'd imagine by the next crypto bull run, we could definitely see a $10,000 plus Ethereum. And that is certainly a realistic choice of price, because it would still not even be a 10x from these current levels. And we're seeing these low market cap gems like Doge and IMPT token do potentially 10x's and more. So Doge did a 20x in a bear market. Ethereum, whilst it might not, you know, potentially offer you 100x anymore, it's still certainly a stable and secure choice for the future. So everyone, in my opinion, should just hold a little bit of Ethereum in their portfolio, especially for that portfolio diversification. Here is Ethereum's website. As we all know, you might not have seen it before. It doesn't really change much, but we all know what Ethereum is, and without Ethereum, you know, the crypto world would look pretty empty. Coin number 4, BNB. It's like the marketplace of cryptocurrency, right? Binance, biggest exchange. And if you look at what Binance did recently, they deployed the 1.2% burning mechanics on for Luna Classic, right? But they did it at their own expense. So not at the expense of the user or the buyer. So that sort of leader just makes me very, very bullish. Someone as transparent and caring, credible, and as authentic as C said Binance, it makes me bullish on the BNB token as well. So I think this is also looking rather undervalued. If we look at the all-time highs, we were looking like, you know, the high 600s, and now we're down to the low 200s. So it didn't really have a major correction like many other coins in the market. It was not even like over 85% from top to bottom, and that's why I am bullish on BNB. Coin number 5 is going to be Solana, layer 1 infrastructure, rank 9 amongst other cryptos with an $11.8 billion market capital. Ladies and gents, I am bullish on this one, absolutely. We can see it was $136 once, and now we're just chilling at a $45, which is super low, to be honest. We can see TPS, transactions per second, is really high. Average cost per transaction is also very low, so you could do 1,000 transactions and it's barely even going to burn a hole in your wallet. So I really think it's good. Low cost forever, fast forever, super strong, unique selling points, one of the best infrastructure tokens out there, fully decentralized. They've got validators as well, and you know, it doesn't just sit at rank 9 for no reason with an $11.8 billion market cap. So there's my 5 top choices, guys. Make sure if you're new here, get into the Telegram and the Discord down below. Crazy things are happening, big community is forming, and we're talking about the next potential pre-sales as well. As you can see, I've got a VIP section where we're talking about the next pre-sales, the whitelistings. You can get in early and unlock all the key information and data around this. You can do that by signing up to my Patreon. I've only got 17 of these available. You can see Battle Infinity did a 750%. Tamadoge actually did a 2000% in ROI, or a 20x. So only 17 left, guys. Selling out super quick, like kebabs, after clubbing on a Saturday night. So make sure you do sign up to that if you want to take advantage, learn all things about the next upcoming pre-sales, which could easily do massive things like Tamadoge 2. Of course, you can just join for free, and you can, look in the general discussion section. We've also got, the altcoin section, Tamadoge. We've got the IMPT token as well. But just come say hi, share your thoughts, insight, analysis, news, anything you want, and grow within the community. So yeah, that's about a wrap, guys. I think Tamadoge I'm really bullish on. IMPT token also very bullish on, and of course the other three, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, could be good picks for 2022 for the remainder of it, but also October. We like to call it Uptober because things usually flip rather bullish during October. Historically, Bitcoin prints some very big green candles, so hopefully we will see historical data play out once again. Anyways, bye for now. I'll update you soon with another video, and see you soon, guys. Stay crypto safe. Please do not let anyone scam you or reel you into traps. If people are DMing you on the Discord channel or even on YouTube, it's 100% a trap, guys. If they're asking for information, if it sounds too good to be true, it is a trap. Anyway, bye for now. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon.